morning, students. So, in last video, we are discussing about applications of definite integrals. That part is over. Last topic in calculus section, most important, that is known as differential equation. Differential equation. Now, here in this topic, total marks here 10 marks. Now here 2 mark 1 question, 3 mark 1 question, 5 mark 1 question, totally 10 marks. 2 mark it is selected, 3 mark is also selected, 5 mark is also selected. Okay, in your question paper, part B question number 46 belongs to differential equation problem, that is 5 mark problem. Okay, so total mark is here 10 marks. Oh, now here in this topic there are two main definitions, namely define differential equation, then define order and degree of differential equation. Okay, now define differential equation samikarna. You know that in first year PUC, you know the concept of trigonometric equation. Do you know the definition? Define trigonometric equation. An equation which involves trigonometric functions of unknown values, that is known as trigonometric equation. ಆ ಒಂದು equation ನಲ್ಲಿ trigonometric terms ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೀವಿ trigonometric equation. Like that, define a differential equation. Look here, an equation which involves or it contains x term, y term, dy by dx term, or d square y by dx square, or dqy by dx power 3, and so on. That equation is known as differential equation. Remember, an equation which involves or it contains x term, y term, dy by dx, or d2y by dx square, or d3y by dx cube, and so on. That is known as differential equation. Or in other words, an equation which involves or it contains independent variable, that is nothing but x, dependent variable, that is nothing but y, and derivative of the dependent variable, that is dy by dx, or d square y by dx square, or dqy by dx power 3, and so on. That is known as differential equation. ಒಂದು ಸಮೀಕರಣ ಇದೆ, ಆ ಸಮೀಕರಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇರಬೇಕು? ಇಂಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ x ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ y ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, derivative of the dependent variable like dy by dx, d square by dx square, dqy by dx power 3. ಈ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆ ಸಮೀಕರಣಗಳು ಇತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರ ಅಂಥ ಒಂದು ಸಮೀಕರಣಕ್ಕೆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್. ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್, an equation which involves or it contains independent variable, that is nothing but x, dependent variable, that is nothing but y, and derivative of the dependent variable like dy by dx, or d2y by dx square, or d3y by dx to power 3, and so on. That is known as differential equation. ಆ ಸಮೀಕರಣದಲ್ಲೇ ಇವು ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರ ಅಂಥ ಒಂದು ಸಮೀಕರಣಕ್ಕೆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, x plus y dy by dx is equal to 0, equal to 0, then only it is an equation. Suppose that term is not here, that is not an equation, it is simply an expression. Remember, so this is an example of differential equation. No, x ಇದೆ, y ಇದೆ, dy by x ಇದೆ. At least dy by dx ಅಥವಾ d2y by dx square ಈ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಸಾಕು. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ dy by dx ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ x ಇದೆ, y ಇದೆ, dy by dx ಇದೆ. Okay, now another example, x into d2y by dx square plus 3y into dy by dx plus 7 is equal to 0. Is it differential equation? Yes. Another example, d2y by dx square to the power of 3 plus 4y into dy by dx whole power 4 plus 7x minus 3 is equal to 0. Is it differential equation? Yes. Another example, root of 1 plus dy by dx to the power of 2 is equal to 4 times d2y by dx square. Is it differential equation? Yes. Okay. Now, another example, that is dy by dx plus 4x into d2y by dx square plus 3y into d2y by dx power 3 plus 1 is equal to 0. Is it differential equation? Yes. Another example, sine of dy by dx plus 4 into d2y by dx square plus 3 is equal to 0. Is it differential equation? Yes. So these are the examples of differential equation. Remember, definition: an equation which involves or it contains x term, y term, dy by dx or d2y by dx square or d3y by dx power 3 and so on. That equation is known as differential equation. ಆ ಸಮೀಕರಣದಲ್ಲೇ x term, y term, dy by dx, d2y by dx square ಈ terms ಆ equation ದಲ್ಲಿ ಇತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರ ಅಂತಹ ಒಂದು equation ಗೆ differential equation. So these are the examples of differential equation. X term is nothing but independent variable. Y term is nothing but dependent variable. dy by dx, d2y by dx square, these are the derivative of the dependent variables. Okay, so these are the examples of differential equation. Clear? Okay, so next definition, that is most important. What is that? Order and degree of differential equation. That is most important. Order and degree of differential equation. They will be asked, that is 2-mark question in your question paper, part B question, part B ದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತ question. Now what is the order and what is the degree? Order 1 mark, degree 1 mark. So what is the definition of order and degree? Very simple definition. All of listen carefully. Now here in the differential equation, so these are the differential equations, isn't it? These are all differential equations. Now define order and degree of differential equation. First one is define order. In the differential equation in which the highest ordered derivative, remember, in the differential equation in which the highest ordered derivative occurring in it, that is known as order of differential equation. Andre ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತ differential equation ದಲ್ಲಿ how many times differentiate, ಆ ಒಂದು equation ದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ differentiate ಮಾಡಿ ಇಟ್ಟಿದಾನ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ highest ಯಾವುದಿದೆ, that is known as order. Order ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು? dy by dx, it is first order. d2y by dx square, it is second order. Not dy by dx whole power 2, that is not order. Okay, so in the differential equation in which the highest ordered derivative occurring in it is called order of the differential equation. ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತ differential equation ನಲ್ಲಿ how many times differentiate, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸರಿ differentiate ಮಾಡಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದಾರ ಅದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಆರ್ಡರ್. ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, in first example, what is the order of the differential equation? How many times differentiate? Only one time, so that the order of the differential equation is 1. You will get 1 mark, isn't it? Whereas second example observe ಮಾಡಿ, x into d2y by dx square plus 3y into dy by dx plus 7 is equal to 0. What is the order? This is dy by dx 1 time. ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಇದೆ d2y by dx square. So what is the order? Order is 2. It is second order differential equation. Take this one. What is the order of the differential equation? d2y by dx square whole power 3 plus 4y into dy by x whole power 4 plus 7x minus 3 is equal to 0. What is the order? Order is 2. But ಇದನ್ನು ತಗೋಬಾರ್ದು. Whole power ಇದ್ರೆ that is not order. How many times differentiate? That is known as order. Okay. So whereas this one, what is the order of the differential equation? 1 plus dy by x whole power 2 is equal to 4 times d square y by d square. How many times differentiate? 2 times differentiate. So that order is 2. Idea bantala? What about this? What is the order of the differential equation? dy by x is d2y by x square is. This is first order. Second order ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಇದೆಯಾ? ಇದೆ. ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ? 3y by dx power 3. That is, what is the order? Order is 3. What about this? What is the order of the differential equation? Sin of dy by dx plus 4 times d2y by dx square. This dy by dx square. d2y by dx square is ಯಾವ್ದು? This is second one. So what is the order? Order is 2. So remember, in the differential equation in which the highest order derivative occurring in it is called order of a differential equation. ಎಷ್ಟು ಸರಿ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಯಾವುದು ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋನ್ ಆಸ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್. ಐಡಿಯಾ ಬಂತಲ್ಲ? whereas define degree of differential equation ಇದನ್ನ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬರೀತೀರಿ, ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಬರೆಯುವಾಗ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. what is the definition of degree of differential equation? Remember, in the differential equation, the degree of the differential equation is the degree of the highest ordered derivative. Degree of the highest ordered derivative, and it is free from radical, and it must be a polynomial. ಏನಾಗಿರಬೇಕು? Polynomial. What is the meaning of polynomial? You know that in algebraic polynomial, that is in general a0 x power n plus a1 x power n minus 1 plus a2 x power n minus 2 and so on an. This is polynomial expression. Poly means many. Because highest power of x is n. Okay, highest power of x is n. It is a polynomial. ಅದು polynomial ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು, and it is free from radical. Fractional ಇರಬಾರ್ದು. It must be a integer. It must be a positive integer. Degree must be a positive integer, not fraction. Degree ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ fraction ಒಳಗೆ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Remember, the degree of the differential equation is the degree of the highest order derivative, and it is free from radical, and it must be a polynomial. Clean ಆಗಿ ಒಂದೊಂದೇ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರಬಾರದು ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್. ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ it is not a polynomial. ಇದು ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋಡಿ x power n, x power n minus 1, x power n minus 2 separate. It is algebraic polynomial expression, isn't it? So remember, the degree of the differential equation is the degree of the highest ordered derivative occurring in it, and it is free from radical. It is not a rational form. It must be a positive integer, and it is a polynomial. That is known as degree of differential equation. ನೋಡಿ, degree of differential equation find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಹೇಗೆ find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಯಾವುದು ನೀವು highest order ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿರ್ತೀರಲ್ಲ, ಆ highest order ದ power, ಅದರ index ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ that is degree. ಯಾವುದು highest order ಇರ್ತದಲ್ಲ ಅದರ ಪವರ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಐಡಿಯಾ ಬಂತಲ್ಲ? ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಪೊಲಿನಾಮಿಯಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಎರಡು ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರಬಾರ್ದು, ಮತ್ತು ರೂಟ್ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು, ರಾಷನಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಗಿರಬಾರ್ದು, ಫ್ರೀ ಫ್ರಮ್ ರಾಡಿಕಲ್, ಅಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಎ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇಂಟೀಜರ್. ಮೊದಲು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಯಾವ್ದು ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದರ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಬರೆಯಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಪೂರ್ವದಲ್ಲೇ ಆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಪೊಲಿನಾಮಿಯಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯೋ ಇಲ್ಲ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಪೊಲಿನಾಮಿಯಲ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಎರಡು ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರಬಾರ್ದು. ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎ ಪೊಲಿನಾಮಿಯಲ್. ಅಂಡ್ ರಾಷನಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು. ಇಟ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಎ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇಂಟೀಜರ್. ಐಡಿಯಾ ಬಂತಲ್ಲ? ಸೊ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ರಿಪೀಟ್ once again, the degree of the differential equation is the degree of the highest order derivative occurring in it and it is free from radical and it must be a polynomial form. That is known as degree of differential equation. Okay, here we observe madam. In first example, what is the order of the differential equation? Order is 1 time differentiate. It is highest order ತಾನೆ? ಇದರ ಪವರ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 1 ಇದೆ. So order is 1, degree is 1. Right? ಇದಕ್ಕೆ 1 mark, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ 1 mark. We will get 2 marks. Very simple result. What about second problem? What is the order? Order is 2. ಇದು order 2 ಇದೆ ತಾನೆ? ಇದು highest order ತಾನೆ? ಇದರ ಪವರ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು 1. So that degree is 1. Right? What about this? What is the order? Order highest order ಯಾವುದು? dy by dx is first order. ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಇದು second order. So second order ಇದೆ ತಾನೆ? So ಇದು second order highest. ಇದರ ಪವರ್ ಏನಿದೆ? 3 not 4. 4 ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸರ್ ದೊಡ್ಡದಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ? No. highest order ಯಾವುದು? d2y by dx square. ಯಾವುದು highest order ಇದೆ? ಅದರ ಪವರ್ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? degree. So what is the degree? Degree is 3. Clear? What about fourth one? This fourth one observe ಮಾಡಿ. Order is 2. Okay. What is degree? No. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೂಟ್ ಇದೆ. ರೂಟ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಇದನ್ನು ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ರೂಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಇರಬಾರದು. ಪಾಲಿನಾಮಿಯಲ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಇರಬಾರದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅದಾವ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. n minus 1. These are all integers, isn't it? So integer form ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಈ ರೂಟ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ರೂಟ್ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ that is root of 1 plus dy by dx whole power is nothing but 1 plus dy by dx whole power 2 whole power 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is fraction. So that eliminate that fraction. Then find out the degree. How to eliminate? Squaring on both sides. ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಆಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ರೂಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 1 plus dy by dx whole power 2 is equal to 4 square into d2y by dx square whole power 2. ಹೌದಾ? ಹೀಗಿದೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್? 2 times differentiate order is 2. Okay. ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಇದ್ರ ಪವರ್ ಏನಿದೆ? 2. Order is 2, degree is 2. Clear? Then fifth example. What is the order? Highest order ಆಗಿದೆ. This is first order. ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ 2 times difference ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ next ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಇದೆ. This is highest order. Highest order is 3. ಇದರ ಪವರ್ ಏನಿದೆ? 1. So that is order is 3, degree is 1. Okay? So degree ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬಾರದು. What about sixth one? Observe. What is the order? Order is 2. What is degree? No degree because it is not a polynomial. Sin dy by dx mixed ಆಗಿದೆ. Suppose ಇದು ಏನಾದರೂ sin ಬದಲಿ sin x into dy by dx ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ it is second order first degree ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಬಟ್ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ? sin of dy by dx it is mixed variable, so it is not a polynomial. So degree is not defined. Degree is not defined. ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಈ ತರ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಾಗ degree is not defined. ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಯಾವುದು? sin dy by dx ಇರಬಹುದು, e power dy by dx, that is mixed variable. So that degree is not defined. Only to find order. Okay. So remember order and degree. Order means in the differential equation in which the highest order derivative occurring in it is called order. ಆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು highest order ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ that is the order ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಅನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? In the differential equation in which the degree of the differential equation is the degree of the highest order derivative and it is free from radical. root ಇರಬಾರದು and it must be a polynomial form. Degree is always positive integer, not fractional value. Remember, not rational number. Isn't it? Degree must be positive integer. That is known as degree of differential equation. ಯಾವುದು highest order ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅದರ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ that is the degree. Most important, they will ask in final exam, find the order and degree of differential equation. Every year ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. Find the order and degree of differential equation. In previous year like 2020 Every year you have a question. What is the order and degree of differential equation? Order 1 mark, degree 1 mark. Totally 2 mark. It is fixed question. Isn't it? Is it clear? Definition of differential equation. Then define order and degree of differential equation. I hope it is clear. Oh. Students, note down those things. Now here heading differential equation definition. Clean and note ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. An equation which involves x term, y term, dy by dx, d square y by dx square, etc. is called differential equation. Or another type of definition, an equation which involves independent variable, comma, dependent variable, that is y, and derivative of dependent variable like dy by dx, d square y by dx square, etc. That is known as differential equation. Okay, so these are the examples of differential equation. Example 1, dy by dx equal to x square. Example 2, dy by dx plus 2x equal to e power 2x. Third example, d square y by dx square plus 2 times dy by dx minus 3 is equal to 0. These are the examples of differential equation. This is definition. Okay. Next important result. Now to order and degree of differential equation. What is the definition of order? In the differential equation, in which the highest ordered derivative occurring in it is called the order of the differential equation. ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತ equation ದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು highest order ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ that is the order. For example, dy by dx plus cos square x equal to 3 upon 1. How many times differentiate? Only one time, so that order is 1. Here dy by dx plus 1 is equal to 0. Again, only one time differentiate, order is 1. Whereas here, third example, d2y by dx square plus 2 times sin x plus 1 is equal to 0. How many times differentiate? 2 times, so that order is 2. Okay, this is order of the differential equation. Then define degree of the differential equation. Here, note ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. The degree of the differential equation is the degree of highest ordered derivative occurring in it is, and when the derivative are made free from radical and fractional ಇರಬಾರ್ದು. It must be a polynomial, it must be a positive integer. That is known as degree of differential equation. Students, based on the definition of order and degree of differential equation, you know the definition of order as well as degree. Order means in the differential equation in which the highest order derivative occurring in it is called order, whereas degree of differential equation is the degree of the highest order derivative and it is free from radical and it must be a polynomial, that is known as degree of differential equation. Okay, so based on the definition of order and degree to solve the problems, now the question is find the order and degree of the following differential equation. Now that is most important problems they will be asked in final exam. 2 mark question, very simple. Look here, first one, y dash plus 5y is equal to 0. Y dash is nothing but what? Dy by dx. So dy by dx plus 5y is equal to 0. What is order and degree? Order of the differential equation ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? How many times differentiate? One time. The order is 1. Degree ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Highest, the degree of the differential equation is the degree of the highest order derivative. Highest order is y dash. Either power is 1. So that degree is 1. Order is 1. Degree is 1. Okay. Whereas second problem, ds by dt whole power 4 plus 3s into d square s by dt square is equal to 0. What is the order? ds by dt ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, d square s by dt square ಇದೆ. How many times differentiate? Highest order is 2 times. So that order is 2. Degree is, now highest order is d square s by dt square. Either power is 2. 1. So degree is 1. Order 2, degree 1. Whereas third problem, d power 4y by dx power 4 plus sine of y triple dash. Y triple dash is nothing but dqy by dx power 3 is equal to 0. What is the order? Highest order is yesterday 4. Order is 4. Degree. Degree is not defined because it is not a polynomial, mixed variable. So degree is not defined. Degree is not defined. Either 1 mark or 1 mark. Okay. Fourth problem, observe ಮಾಡಿ. d square y by dx square whole power 2 plus cos of dy by dx equal to 0. What is the order? How many times differentiate? 2 times. So order is equal to 2. What is degree? Again observe it. It is not a polynomial, mixed variable. So that degree is not defined. ನೀವೇ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಬಹುದು, ತುಂಬಾ ಈಸಿ ಇದೆ. ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಡಿಫೈನ್ಡ್. ಓಕೆ. Whereas fifth problem, d square y by dx square is equal to cos 3x plus sin 3x. What is the order? How many times differentiate? 2 times. Order is 2. What is degree? Now order is 2. Either power is 1. So degree is 1. What about sixth one? Y triple dash whole power 2. Y triple dash is nothing but dqy by dx power 3 whole power 2 plus y double dash means d square y by dx square whole power 3 plus y dash is nothing but dy by dx whole power 4 plus y power 5 is equal to 0. What is the order? Highest order yavude? First order, second order, third order. So order is 3. What is degree? Yav highest order idella? Idar power estide? Idar power 2. So degree is 2. Matte degree 4 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. highest order yavude adar index. Okay. Then seventh problem, y triple dash. Y triple dash is nothing but dqy by dx power 3. Then 2y double dash. Y double dash is same as d square y by dx square plus y dash, that is nothing but dy by dx. In this example, how many times differentiate? 3 times. So that order is 3. Either power, ಏನು highest order ಅದರ index. ಅದರ index ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? degree. Degree is 1. Whereas eighth problem, y dash plus 1 is equal to e power x. Y dash is equal to dy by x. So 1 time differentiate, order is 1. Degree is also 1. Okay. Whereas ninth problem, y double dash, that is nothing but d square y by dx square plus 2y dash plus sin y is equal to 0. Y double dash is nothing but d square y by dx square. So that order is 2. Degree, our highest order is other index is 1. So degree is 1. Whereas 10th problem, what is the order and degree? Y double dash is nothing but d square y by dx square. Y dash is same as dy by dx whole power 2 plus 2y is equal to 0. In this example, what is the highest order? Order is 2. Degree is 1. Now highest order is the index. Whereas 11th problem, what is the order? D square y by dx square whole power 3 dy by dx whole power 2 plus sin of dy by dx plus 1 is equal to 0. Highest order yavude? D square y by dx square. So order is 2. What about degree? Degree nodri, it is not a polynomial because it is mixed variable. So degree is not defined. Okay. 12th problem, 2x square d square y by dx square minus 3 into dy by dx plus y is equal to 0. How many times differentiate? Highest order is 2. So that order is 2. What is degree? Degree is 1. Now the highest order is the index. 13th problem, dy by dx minus cos x equal to 0. What is the order? How many times differentiate? 1 time. So order is 1. Degree is also 1. Okay. Then 14th problem, xy into d square y by dx square plus x into dy by dx to the power of 2 minus y into dy by dx equal to 0. What is the order? How many times differentiate? 1 time, here 2 times. So that highest order is 2. What is degree? Now the highest order is other index. The index is 1. Whereas 15th problem, y triple dash is nothing but dqy by dx power 3 plus y square plus e power y dash. E power y dash is same as e power dy by dx is equal to 0. So what is the order? Highest order is 3 because 3 times differentiate. What is degree? Degree observe ಮಾಡಿ. Here degree is not defined because it is not a polynomial. E power dy by dx mixed variable. Degree is not defined. So each problem carries 2 marks. Order 1 mark, degree 1 mark. ಅಯ್ಯಂತಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಆಗಿ ಇದನ್ನ ನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಈ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಇದೆ. These are the answers. Order degree. Okay? Note 1.